10 ways permaculture is going to change your life. Low energy stoves. Now, we don't have to think very much about cooking in the West. We just have machines plugged in running on electricity usually. The majority of people in the world are still cooking on wood, and they can source that wood from coppice, and it can be done sustainably. But the real trick is to burn that wood efficiently, which means to burn it at a hotter temperature as possible, as quickly as possible, because the hotter it is, the more efficient the combustion is, the less smoke there is. And remember that smoke is unburnt fuel. So you've got a smoky fire, you're actually just not burning the fuel, you're just turning it into pollution. And wood smoke, inhaling wood smoke, is the #1 preventable disease in the majority world. So this is really, really important. Now, it is possible. We've worked on designs for a low energy stove that's made from earth, from clay, mixed from clay from termite mounds with subsoil. Make your cob and form it in a way in which it creates a block as the thermal mass. And down in the middle of the block there is a tube. So when you light a fire inside a confined space, the air expands. Heat makes air expand. So that the air starts leaving the stove faster than it arrives, so it starts to feed back on itself, and it starts to accelerate. It's a rocketing effect, and so the hotter the wood burns, the more heat it releases. Obviously, the hotter the block gets, and this accelerates the fire. Once you've got a nice hot block, you can cook on it nicely. Low energy stoves. These are one of the key technologies that we're promoting in villages in eastern Uganda at the moment, and to great effect. Permaculture is a very powerful set of strategies for solving problems. These are some of the manifestations of permaculture design. There's plenty more, but here's these few I wanted to share with you for a taster.